fourth area is going to be your solutions. Do you have a website? Do you have a landing page? Do you have somewhere you can put in an email, a link that people can go and kind of educate themselves? Now, I'll be honest with you, social media has turned into my online school. It's where I'm doing a lot of teaching and training, like this video right here, where people who are maybe checking me out can get to see a little bit more of how I work, some of my philosophies, what I believe. Social media is turning out to be golden for that. I actually got a client on the plane 2 weeks ago because I sent him to my Instagram and he was able to watch the videos, see some of the posts and the like. And so when we talk about packaging solutions, sharing Money Accelerator, you're a little beyond the basics or maybe a lot. You need to scale. You need financial statements. You need to access more capital, other people's money. Heavy on the reporting for that part. And then, of course, my ABC accounting system setup course, where in just 30 minutes, you can set up your own system. And in 30 more minutes, I'll educate you. Profit and loss, balance sheet, so you can learn what those things are.